What a glorious day. Fantastic setting, a stunning couple. On behalf of Joshua and Amy, welcome to this very special occasion. And you, the family and friends of Joshua and Amy, have honoured them by accepting their invitation to share in this wonderful ceremony.
Amy, you are a lucky girl, for you have a lifetime ahead of you of being loved in such a way that your happiness will always mean more to Joshua than anything else in this world. And Joshua, you are blessed because Amy loves you so much. She will be there for you no matter what happens in your life. Together, you can do anything.
We're all going to be, don't worry.
Marriage is appointed by God. The Church believes that marriage is a gift of God in creation and a means of grace in which man and woman become one in heart, mind and body. Marriage is a sacred and lifelong union of a man and a woman who give themselves to each other in love and trust. It signifies a mystery of the union between Christ and the Church. Marriage is given that husband and wife may enrich and encourage each other in every part of their life together. Marriage is given that with delight and tenderness they may know each other in love, and through their physical union may strengthen the union of their lives.
Amy, I knew it from the start that you would hold the hand that held the key to my heart.
I will be beside you, building a life with you that is based on love, honesty, friendship, trust and support. From this day forward, as I've given you my hand to hold, I give you my heart for life.
God is a great wedding planner. Marriage was God's idea, and at the very beginning of time, God created the institution of marriage between a man and a woman. Joshua and Amy, you've made solemn promises today before God, family and friends, that you will love, comfort, honour and protect each other, and forsaking all others, be faithful to each other until death parts you.
Who would have guessed Josh's search for that special someone with that girl next door appeal would literally end up being the girl next door?
Before we met, Samuel and I would be in